CHAT GPT has unexpectedly changed the world. It's a program that can access all the information in the world and condense it into a conversation. It can speak and interact as if it were a person, using deep language models to generate coherent and relevant text. Today we're going to talk about the secret power that CHAT GPT possesses and its enormous potential. This technological advance has changed the way we communicate and access information, opening up new possibilities and challenging conventional expectations. Artificial intelligence refers to systems developed through digital science and engineering that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as image recognition, natural language processing, reasoning, or machine learning. This means that through the creation of algorithms and specialized systems, machines can perform processes inherent to human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, or self-correction. In the past year, this technology has gained significant attention, and the wave of artificial intelligence has reached its peak of popularity. This is largely due to its numerous applications and benefits in various fields, including communication, education, creativity, programming, etc. Artificial intelligence can improve users' experience, performance, and productivity while also contributing to the development of their skills and contributions. CHAT GPT is one of the most well-known and notable applications of artificial intelligence, as it allows the generation of coherent and relative texts from a given input, such as a question, a phrase, or a topic. Its origin dates back to 2018, when the first model of this family was published, called GPT-1, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This model had 117 million parameters, which are numerical values that determine the behavior of the neural network, and it could generate texts of up to 40 words. It was updated in 2019 and 2020, known as GPT-2 and GPT-3 respectively, introducing improvements to the neural network, updates to the database, and new features based on text generation. We are currently in the GPT-4 model, which has over 1 trillion parameters, making it the largest and most powerful language model ever created. It can generate texts of up to 10,000 words and perform even more complex and varied tasks than ChatGPT-3. However, the potential of this tool goes far beyond generating texts in response to questions. It's these features that will allow us to get the most out of ChatGPT. Did you know that you can generate algorithms and computer code with ChatGPT? That's right, ChatGPT can understand natural language and translate it into logical and syntactically correct instructions for different programming languages or design tools. This tool even helps us develop projects, applications, and websites by generating source code based on a description of the design, functionality, and interface we want to achieve. With this, the tedious hours of programming can be significantly reduced, since all you need to do is provide the necessary specs for ChatGPT to translate them into the programming language of your choice, saving you hours of work. One of the most useful features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate summaries, reviews, comments, or opinions on any topic, be it tech, books, movies, or products. ChatGPT can extract the most relevant information and present it concisely and attractively, expressing opinions or assessments on different topics or aspects. To do this, the tool reads the original text and extracts the most relevant information, such as theme, plot, characters, main ideas, strengths, and weaknesses, among others. It organizes the information into a logical and coherent structure using connectors, markers, and punctuation, and then generates the summarized, reviewed, commented, or opinionated text using a tone and vocabulary appropriate to the purpose and audience of the text. This feature is very useful in the academic field. How many of us have spent hours trying to summarize a text or historical review? Well, that's a thing of the past thanks to ChatGPT. All we have to do is type in the topic and the characteristics we want the summary to have, and voila! In a matter of seconds, we've got what used to take us hours. Another aspect we need to discuss is how ChatGPT, through its artificial intelligence, can do effective research. We've all had the experience of having to research a topic and having to settle for the first few pages of information, resulting in something superficial. This has changed with ChatGPT. Having been trained on a vast amount of text data, ChatGPT can compellingly interact with us and provide detailed, real-time answers on a wide variety of topics. For example, it can provide summaries of news articles, explanations of complex concepts, and answers to specific questions. Another way ChatGPT can help with research is by making suggestions to improve the quality of the research. It can suggest additional areas for investigation, provide feedback on research methodology, and suggest ways to improve the quality of research results. Have you used ChatGPT in your research? Creativity knows no bounds with ChatGPT, as this tool allows us to generate creative text and visual art. ChatGPT's creative text generation feature uses its own knowledge and words to create original content such as poems, stories, songs, etc. In addition, ChatGPT can also generate visual art using its image generation function. DALL-E is a model of ChatGPT that can generate images based on text descriptions. It uses a sophisticated approach that considers the context and semantics of words to produce accurate and natural images. ChatGPT's creative text generation and visual art features are useful for a variety of applications, from creating original content to generating visual art for creative projects. Creative block is a thing of the past. Thanks to artificial intelligence and tools like ChatGPT, the sky's the limit, helping us explore beyond it. Another lesser-known approach to this tool is the generation of multimodal texts, those that combine text, image, sound, and video to create richer, more varied, and more engaging content. These models can learn from large amounts of multimodal data, such as illustrated books, podcasts, and educational videos, and use them to generate new content. An example of multimodal text is comics, which combine text and images using different styles, genres, characters, etc. ChatGPT can generate both the script and the artwork for the comic or improve an existing one. The multimodal approach has been greatly enhanced by artificial intelligence, making it increasingly easy to create multimodal content, such as podcasts and videos combining text, image, sound, and video to generate content from scratch or enhance existing content. The potential of ChatGPT seems to have no limits, and it only takes a deeper understanding of the functions of this tool to take full advantage of its capabilities. The fact that we can now get in seconds what used to take hours, and the scope of artificial intelligence in various aspects of personal and professional life justifies the significant popularity it has gained in recent years. Many people perceive the significant advances in artificial intelligence as a threat. With the ability to perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans, there's a real fear of job loss, as machines can now perform tasks on behalf of individuals. However, this is not a new phenomenon. It has always occurred with technological advances. The key is to adapt and evolve with it to avoid being left behind. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence and ChatGPT are the future, or rather, our present. Artificial intelligence is one of the most significant technological advancements of our time. The ability of machines to learn, adapt, and improve based on data is changing the way we live and work. As technology continues to advance, we are likely to see even more innovative applications of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Give it a like and comment on what you think about the whole topic of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. Subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when a new video is posted. See you in the next one.